We all dream of that one video going viral, right? But here's the catch. Your amazing content won't matter if your title and thumbnail aren't click-worthy. Most of us make the mistake of leaving them as an afterthought, but not anymore. Your title and thumbnail are the gatekeepers of your video. Think of them as the first impression on a blind date. Spend time crafting a compelling duo that makes your audience say, "I have to see this." Most successful YouTubers make a thumbnail first, and then a video to make sure they make a video that people will click and watch. So we will be guided by that. Use high-quality images. Ensure your thumbnail image is of high quality, clear, and visually appealing. If you didn't make the picture yourself, you can find it on the Google or on pexels.com for free. Focus on contrast. Use bright and contrasting colors to make elements stand out. This can help catch the viewer's attention. The best contrasts are white and black, but I also like charcoal and yellow. Include bold text. Add large, easy-to-read text that conveys the video's topic. Use bold and contrasting fonts to make the text visible even on smaller screens. Create curiosity. Make the viewer curious about the content. Use intriguing text or symbols that hint at what the video is about without giving everything away. Maintain consistency. Use consistent branding elements, like your channel logo or colors, to build brand recognition among your audience. Add borders and shadows. Adding borders or shadows around the thumbnail can make it pop and draw more attention to the content. Avoid clutter. Keep the thumbnail simple and uncluttered. Too many elements can confuse viewers and make it less appealing. Test different versions. Create a few different thumbnail designs and test them to see which one performs the best. YouTube analytics can help you determine which thumbnails are more effective in attracting clicks. Use professional tools. Consider using graphic design software like Adobe Photoshop or online tools like Canva to create polished and professional-looking thumbnails. Mobile-friendly design. Remember that many viewers use mobile devices, so make sure your thumbnails are clear and readable on small screens. In order to write the required title, you need to know your audience. Understand the demographics, interests, and preferences of your target audience. Tailor your title to what they find intriguing or helpful. You can find that information in YouTube Studio. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or YouTube's own search. Suggest feature to identify popular keywords and phrases related to your video content. I personally use the vidIQ site for that. Sign up is completely free, and you have an option for keywords in the right corner. Type a keyword in the search bar, and it will show you its rating. Be clear and concise. Ensure your title clearly communicates what the video is about. People should know what to expect when they click. YouTube titles have a character limit. Aim for around 60 characters to ensure the full title displays on all devices. But if you can write under 50 characters, that's even better. Pose a question. Ask a compelling question that viewers want to know the answer to. Use curiosity. Use curiosity to entice viewers. Tease a surprising fact or an unexpected twist in your content. Appeal to emotions. Trigger emotions like excitement, curiosity, or even fear. Emotional titles are more likely to be clicked. Use power words. Words like amazing, unbelievable, incredible, or life-changing can add impact. Mention influencers or experts. If your video features well-known personalities, include their names in the title. For example, mentioning Mr. Beast in the video title can get you a lot more views. If your content is location-specific, consider including the location in the title. Use numbers and data. People are often drawn to titles with numbers, for example, 10 tips to, as they suggest a structured and informative content. Try numbers like 3 or 7. They are the most eye-catching. Be honest. While you want an engaging title, avoid misleading viewers. Clickbait might get clicks, but it won't help your channel's reputation in the long run. Consider trends and current events. If your video is related to a trending topic or current event, consider incorporating that into the title. Customize for your niche. Understand what works in your specific niche. Gaming titles might differ significantly from educational or lifestyle content, but some words work in all niches. Ask for opinions. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback from friends, family, or online communities. Sometimes an outsider's perspective can be invaluable. You can ask for my opinion about your video title in the comments of this video. I will be happy to answer. Creating viral videos that generate significant revenue is an art, and effective editing plays a crucial role in this process. Whether you're editing for your own channel or for a client, here's a comprehensive guide to editing videos that captivate your audience and keep them engaged from start to finish. Before diving into the editing process, ensure you have a well-thought-out video idea, a solid script, and a compelling voiceover. With these elements in place, you can move on to gathering your footage. There are two main types of footage: A-roll, footage with voiceover integrated, and B-roll, additional footage that complements the voiceover. Aim for an abundance of both, as having surplus B-roll is never a drawback. For A-roll, capture genuine connections with your audience, especially if you're on camera. This personal touch can captivate viewers instantly. For B-roll, get creative. Utilize stock footage, self-shot clips, or screen recordings, depending on your video style. Be careful about B-roll footage. Some may be copyrighted copyrighted and destroy your channel. But on Pexels.com, you can find free footage without worrying about copyright. The first few seconds are pivotal. Your goal is to grab attention immediately. If using a roll, ensure it's engaging. If not, rely heavily on dynamic B-roll. Make frequent cuts and maintain a swift pace to retain viewer interest. Stay until the end to find out how to make your first 5 seconds of video more interesting and to go from here to here. Subtitles enhance viewer retention. Create a dynamic subtitle effect by animating the text for a visually appealing and engaging viewing experience. CapCut have a free tool for automatic subtitles, so you can use that if you hate typing it by yourself. Explore preset packs available for various video editing software. Experiment with transitions that seamlessly blend scenes and add motion effects to enhance the visual appeal of your video. You can find them on Google by typing, for example, CapCut free editing preset packs. Sounds breathe life into your video. Use whooshes, pops, and relevant sound effects to accentuate visuals. In CapCut, you can also find free sound effects. Layer your video with non-copyrighted music to evoke emotions and maintain the video's flow. Review your edited video, ensuring smooth transitions and a cohesive narrative. Adjust audio levels, cut precisely, and refine visual effects for a professional finish. The fact is that nowadays people lose attention easily, so try to make cuts every 2 to 3 seconds, and don't overdo it with sound effects. Remember, editing is an art form. Stay creative, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. Each video you edit is an opportunity to refine your skills and create content that resonates with your audience. Let me know in comments if you want a complete tutorial on how I edit videos. Remember, your first 20 seconds are gold. Start by ensuring your first sentence aligns with your title and your initial shot mirrors your thumbnail.
Mr. Beast has solved YouTube retention.
This continuity builds trust and keeps viewers hooked. Don't introduce yourself to the audience. Don't say your name and what you do because they can already see it in the name of the channel and in the video. Go straight to the point of the video. Ever heard of the 5-second rule? No, not the one about dropping food on the floor. The first 5 seconds of your video are crucial. You can increase your audience retention by as much as 50% if you keep the audience for the first 5 seconds. In order to make the first 5 seconds of the video as interesting as possible, you can add subtitles and sound effects to help keep the audience engaged. Now let's dive deeper. After those initial seconds, create curiosity gaps. Provide context, explaining why your content matters. And here's the secret sauce. Leverage input bias. Showcase the effort, time, and passion you poured into your video. Viewers value what you value. Now comes the fun part, constructing your intro visually. Remember, actions speak louder than words. Show, don't just tell. Use captivating visuals, change angles, and maintain a brisk pace. Your intro should be engaging even on mute. Oh, and here's a friendly reminder. Embrace the process. YouTube is a roller coaster, and sometimes even your best content might not skyrocket immediately. But here's the truth. You're already a success because you're in the game, learning, and growing. And if you want to know the dark truth about growing on YouTube, watch this video.